Hello besties, you're welcome back to my channel. Today we are making the most refreshing Zobo drink. So let's get into the video. These are the ingredients I'm using for the recipe. The list will be in the description. Go ahead and prep all your ingredients before adding them to the pot. So to my pot, I will add in some washed Zobo leaf. I have some pineapple peels, blended ginger, some sliced lemon and sliced orange. I'll be adding in some clove and some grinded cinnamon powder. And I'll be adding in my water. I'll be adding a lot of water because I'm making a big batch. So I'll give this a good stir, cover and allow to boil. Zobo drink is an healthy drink, so I love to keep it healthy. I will only be sweetening this with just pineapple, no sugar or any flavor added. I will just add only my pineapple and that is all I'll be using for my drink. So this is after an hour and the Zobo drink has boiled, and now I will allow it to cool. Then after cooling, I'll go ahead and remove all the stuffs inside, which is my Zobo leaf and all the fruit I added in. I'll remove everything so that I will be able to sieve the drink. So I'll go ahead and sieve my drink. I will be using this small sieve. It's very tight, but if you have the mesh cloth, you can also use it. But I'll be using this, and it's doing the job perfectly for me. After sieving the drink, I'll go ahead and add in the pineapple juice. So I'll mix everything together, and if you taste this drink, it tastes really good. Even without sugar or any other sweetener, it tastes really good. So I'll go ahead and bottle it and store in the fridge. So anytime I want to refresh myself, I can just pick and drink. And if this is your first time of coming across my video, kindly subscribe to my channel on the notification bell so you can always get notified whenever we post a new video. I hope this video is helpful to you. Feel free to make any minor adjustment to suit your taste. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up and drop a comment below. I'll see you in my next video. Stay blessed and keep learning. God bless you.